Salad bowl paper lid machine, paper lid, paper cover machine, salad bowl, and one layer paper lid. Automatic packing and making, automatic making and packing. The FeeNoT. Excellent. You see? Excellent. Fade wallpaper, already die cut, the PE. You should make the creasing. You should make the creasing line. Very good creasing line. And the center cut. Fade the PE film under. Fade the sheet paper, and styling oil, insert and double layer and lid making and conveyor. Sheet paper fade, the PE side is under. PE side is under. And you need to make a good creasing. Very good creasing and the creasing line. You should separate the paper. And fade. You should separate the paper, fade sheet paper. You should check the shape and be tight because easy cut. And here is the styling oil, and double layered text. And here is the insert. And you should separate, check the paper. And the lid come out, conveyor, and counting. And the counting system. 183, 14 salad bowl lid. Salad bowl paper lid, automatic packing, automatic film packing, and sealed. And here is a cut. See, excellent. Stackable paper lid, salad paper bowl, and paper lid, paper cover, salad. Big size, and here is the counting system, conveyor. And this machine, we have wall fader and sheet fader. This machine fades sheet side. The PE under, and you need to make quality creasing. PE is underside, well fade paper. And you fade to separate the paper. Styling oil, double layer paper to take. And insert. And the final learning out and leave out. Conveyor transfer the packing. And here is another finish. We have test many. Over 10,000, and the speed is what's now the strong speed is 50. salad bowl paper lead, salad bowl paper lead making machine and the packing machine. Here's the packing system. And the film packing, automatic sealing and packing film. Here's a lead count and packing. Here's a lead making. Straight sheet paper. Sack paper and the speed is 450. Super size.
有一点吧，这个花机器是。
Paper lead, salad paper lead, super size salad paper lead, super size salad paper body, and film packing. Fill the speed and clear, side paper and sheet paper, sand oil and double layer.